Aloha. So we just want to show you a couple of different sugar plants since we're here, and they actually grow them right here so you can see what you're looking at. So here's a commercial sugar, and of course the sugar is in the stem, and the stalk has the sugar juice, and you press the juice out through the machinery and then crystallize it, and there you have the sugar. So that's how that works. We actually bought some sugar cane. We'll show you later in a little fruit video. And here's Polynesian sugar. It's called Palis fire or something like that. It's apparently not as good for making the sugar, but so I think the idea was that they graduated to the more productive sugar cane. But just to show you the difference, because sugar cane doesn't grow freely as guava does these days, so it's not like you can just show it very easily. So here's a good little spot to do that. And then over here there's some taro. Right here, this is dryland taro, and because a lot of times taro has to be grown in actual water like rice, it's got to be pretty soggy wet, which is the whole controversy between development and taro fields, because you need water for taro, you also need water for homes, so where's the balance? Anyway, that's for the wet kind of taro. This is the dryland taro, so we don't have quite the same controversy about this particular plant, but I'm sure it doesn't produce as well as the real wetland taro. But that's as much expertise as I'm going to spew out right now, because I don't have it. But you can eat the root is what gets pounded into poi, as we talked about in other videos, including one of the first Costco video has information about poi. And the leaves have crystals in. They're like crystalline, so you have to cook them for a long time so they don't irritate your teeth and tongue or whatever. But they can be eaten. It just takes a long time to cook them for them to be able to.
Longer than
the wetland taro.
Okay.
So anyway, and there's some tea leaf there for good luck, all around the edge to protect the taro patch. But in this case, there's also a little deer fence, because the deer doesn't respect the tea leaf, and therefore the deer would probably eat the tea leaf, and then it actually doesn't eat the taro, because the taro is too much for the deer as well, but it might eat other things. So in any case, we're going to head up to the old sugar mill now and take a look inside there, and we'll check in with you again once we get up there.